Hello, what's up guys, I'm your host Gordon and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you a very cheap mod that will make your car interior looks pretty darn sexy. So what I'm going to do today is to add a little bit of interior trim molding to spice things up a little bit. The only thing that you might need for this kind of mod is probably a scissor and one of these plastic tools. I'm not sure how you call these, but this is what you do is to pry open the opening to actually slip this kind of trim molding inside these gaps over here. So the installation is pretty simple. It doesn't really involve any glue or any 3M tape. You just need to slide this really thin black part into these gaps over here to make things look a little bit much more built-in or much more, factory-like. Procedure is pretty easy though. You just need to go to the gaps over here, press it in, yep, just like so. Slowly line them up and it starts to look very neat over here. At the final point over here, you might want to grab a scissor and cut off the excess just like so, and continue to press all of this mold trim into the gap. So as for the dashboard, I have an idea to put those molding trim all along these grooves over here and all the way to the driver's side. It should be cool, but as you can see, there is like certain curved parts over here, so we need to cut grooves in the molding strip like these so that it can easily fits in the band, so it will not pop out in the long run.